Is your mobile network ready for an AI boost? Bite-sized news here, and today we're diving into how SoftBank is transforming telecom operations with their groundbreaking AI model. SoftBank has rolled out the Large Telecom Model, or LTM, designed specifically for the telecom industry. Trained on SoftBank's own network and operational data, this AI powerhouse can optimize base station configurations in minutes, a task that used to take days. Why does this matter? Well, faster and more efficient network management means more reliable service for you, and possibly lower costs in the future. Picture a world where your calls never drop, and your streaming never buffers. SoftBank isn't stopping there. They're a key player in the global telco AI alliance, pushing the boundaries of AI in telecom. Plus, they're teaming up with NVIDIA on several ambitious projects, including Japan's most powerful AI supercomputer. A quick heads-up: general AI models like ChatGPT struggle with telecom-specific tasks. That's why industry giants like SoftBank are creating specialized solutions like the LTM. And guess what? SoftBank's also experimenting with AITRAs, an AI RAN solution for edge scenarios, tested at NVIDIA's headquarters. Here's the bottom line. SoftBank's LTM is a game-changer for the telecom world, promising faster, more reliable networks and a peek into the future of AI-driven operations. Stay tuned for more updates on the future of AI and telecom. This is Bite-Sized News signing off.